Those cough drops are disgusting too.
They are.
All cough drops are disgusting pretty much, except for Ludens, which is just candy.
Those are the kind I buy. I always buy the cherry ones.
Those are, I mean, you eat those like, I don't think there's any actual medicine in those. They're just candy, dude. Yeah. Used to eat a whole bag. Like, yeah, whenever like we had those around in the house, like, they never lasted. We'd eat them whether we were sick or not. Cause it was like, oh, it's just, yeah. Like where'd the cough drops go? We ate them all because they're like candy. But then you try to do that with like Halls or something. Like, oh God, this is disgusting.
Disgusting.
Made that mistake.